Right, hello and welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I have been playing around with my Ender 3 Neo a bit, just trying to dial it in a bit, trying to get to know it better. It has been a struggle at times. I know that especially like the Ender 3s, they are known for being on the cheaper side and they're very open source. But as someone who, okay, I consumed a lot of 3D printing content before I actually bought one. But I have run into quite a few problems with it. I'm not sure if it's just things I've caused myself or what it may be. But I have bought one upgrade for it already, a pretty small one. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. And I've also printed one or two small upgrades from the printer. So I'm gonna show those to you. And yeah, if anyone has any advice, I'm going to show you some of the problems I have as well. If anyone has any advice about dealing with those problems, please let me know. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Now, so far, I have just been working with Creality's Black PLA, just bog standard PLA, and I've been playing around with the settings a bit, different print speeds, trying to see how fast I can get things to print while still looking good. And I also did pay for 3 different print profiles on Cura, and I have now switched from Cura back to Bamboo Studio, even though it's a Creality printer, just because I was getting so many failures of prints on that first 2 layers, and I wasn't really having that with Bamboo, and I'm not sure if it's the print profiles or something with the slicer, but it was beginning to get to me a bit. So if we look at these 3 benchies, as you can see here, that does not look good. This is, okay, please focus. This is with 0.28 millimeter layer height print profile. Nice and quick. The fastest bench I've printed, I think, it was 50 minutes, and that's, in the grander scheme of things, pretty slow benchy. And then I have quite a bit of stringing around here, and I'm not sure why. I've tried to clean it up. I'm not sure why, because the stringing that I had off of the first prints with this PLA, I bumped the temperature down a bit and it massively improved it, but I don't understand. And then this was on one of my Bamboo Studio profiles that I kind of was tinkering with, and you can see it looks much better, but again, I've got these imperfections inside and I don't know why. Also, bottom corner lifted, and yeah, I try to read up on these things, but I'm really not sure why some of these problems occur. And then this was one that was printed yesterday on the 0.2 millimeter print profile that I paid for. And you can see here the way that bends a bit on the front of the benchy here. It's not right. It doesn't look right. Now, a lot of this print looks good, but again, we've got quite a bit of stringing inside, and I really don't understand why. So if anyone does have any feedback that they can give me, I would really appreciate it. But then you can see here, I don't have the problems on the surface that I did with my Bamboo Studio prints. Now, I also printed 2 of these types of calibration cubes. One of them was with my the kind of like the fastest, the higher end that I got my Bamboo Studio profile up to, and the other one is with my print profile from Cura copied across to Bamboo. I believe the one on the left is a 0.2 millimeter profile, layer high profile, and the one on the right is 0.28 millimeter print profile. This was 34 minutes and this was 24 minutes, so quite a big difference for something so small. And one problem that I'm seeing on both is this kind of effect on the wall, and I don't know why. I've seen it on a lot of my prints from the Bamboo Studio. I mean, it's not on this side, I'm not sure, but you can see on the back here, it's just, I find it very odd, and I'm not sure what the reason behind that is. So if, once again, if anyone knows if you wouldn't mind just commenting down below, letting me know, I'd really appreciate it. Now let's get on to the upgrades. Very nice. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see, but we've got Creality sticker over there. Start with a small package. I have ordered 4 new 0.4mm nozzles. Okay, so 4 new 0.4mm brass nozzles, just in case I mess up another one. I don't plan on doing it, but yeah, very nice. And these were 10 rand each, which is crazy good. Then I got it from DIY Electronics, little shop here in South Africa. I say little, I don't actually know, it's my first time with them. Got a sticker as well. Very nice. So now we can move on to the big package. Now I am quite excited about this. I've been looking for something like this for quite a while and managed to find exactly what I was looking for a pretty good price. For a pretty good price. Okay, how do I open this? Probably cutting the stick at the back. Here we go. Oh, lovely. Right, so as you can see here, we've got a new build plate with some nice adhesive backing. Now, the nice thing about this, let's check if I can get it off now. There we go. The nice thing about this, so this is a magnetic plate, and this is a flexible build plate. So I have been struggling. Oh, and it's quite a nice strong magnet as well. So this is going to stick to the build surface or to the print surface. I'm gonna peel this off. I have been struggling quite a bit with the glass build plate to remove some of the prints, and this is just going to make it so much easier. Now, in this kind of light, it does give off a goldy kind of appearance, and it does actually seem to be, I know it's not gold, but like goldish colored. Very nice looking. Yeah, so it got this properly Creality brand as well. I'm really pleased with this. I've already got my fingerprints all over it, but how nice is this? Okay, so we're going to install it now, and then we're going to print a Benchy. As you can see here, we've got the glass build plate. It does not look very clean. I've just finished the print on it, which is why it looks like that. You can see like here the scratches, and I think this was from just the scraper. So yeah, not ideal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the clips that it comes with. There we go, glass plate gone. And now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to stick the adhesive backing to the current build plate. Okay, don't mess this up. Very nice, actually got it. Okay, hope it stuck properly. I reckon the heat is also going to help. Now we take our new shiny build plate. Okay, we pinch me, but how nice is that? And then when it's done, lift off the build plate, bendy bend, and it pops right off. Beautiful. Right, that's all done. Build plate's still a bit hot. I keep calling it a build plate. I don't know if that's right or not. As you can see, it's still nice and magnetic, But we've got our benches here, and now let's just, oh my gosh, but how nice and easy was that? And look, not a bad bench here. Okay, we've got some stringing. I'm not sure if that's a temperature problem. I really don't know. I'm not sure if it's a hot end problem from when I might have kind of messed it up, but how nice. I'm really happy with that. Now, in terms of the upgrades we actually printed, quite a while back, I got this little screen cover so that when it's printing during the night, I don't get disturbed because it is in my room. And then we also, yesterday, we printed this new scraper with its own scraper holder, because I hear, this is a PEI sheet, right? And I hear that the metal scrapers that come with the printers can damage the PEI sheet. So, printed one out. Hopefully, I won't damage this one. Anyway, let's get this out of the way. I would like to thank you all very much for watching. I know it has been a while since we posted anything, and we've been enjoying the holiday. Things have been a bit busy on and off, but I hope you had a good Christmas and a happy new year, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what we do with the channel in the year to come. So I hope you stick around, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Cheers.